Let us first fix a white paper on the drawing board with the help of drawing pins. Now, keep a glass slab on the paper and draw its outline PQRS. Let us now draw an inclined straight line on the side of PQ in such a way that this line intersects PQ at N. On this line, let us pierce two pins vertically at 2 points A and B. Now, look at the pins A and B from the opposite side of the slab and pierce pins C and D vertically so that the images of A and B are in line with C and D. Next, remove the glass slab and pins and draw a line going through points C and D so that it intersects RS at M. Let us now join points M and N. Here, ray AN is the incident ray and ray MD is the emergent ray. Observing these rays, we come to know that the incident ray and emergent ray are not in the same straight line. This happens because the refraction of light takes place when the ray of light is going from air to glass and from glass to air again. Come, let us discuss about it in detail. In the activity of refraction of light passing through a glass slab, light gets refracted twice. The first refraction occurs when the light ray enters the glass from air at N on side PQ. The second refraction occurs when light enters air from the glass at point M on side RS. Before proceeding further, let us know about the angle of incidence and angle of refraction. The angle between the incident ray and normal to the surface at the point of incidence is called the angle of incidence, whereas the angle between the refracted ray and the normal to the surface at the point of incidence is called the angle of refraction. Here, for the first refraction, the angle of incidence is I, while for the second refraction, the angle of incidence is I1. The angle of refraction at N is R. Note that the angle of incidence at M, that is I1, is equal to the angle of refraction at N, that is R. In the second refraction, the angle of refraction is E, which is equal to the angle of incidence N, that is I. The extent of change in direction of the ray of light at the opposite parallel sides PQ and RS of the glass slab is equal and opposite. Due to this, the light ray MD emerging from the glass slab is parallel to the incident ray AN on the side PQ of the slab. But the emergent ray is somewhat displaced, that is, shifted with respect to the incident ray.